In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and apply a vendor credit. If you need to reduce the amount you owe on a bill because a vendor has given you a credit, this process is quick and straightforward. Applying a vendor credit correctly helps keep your expenses accurate and makes sure your bill payments reflect the true balance owed. To begin, go to the left-hand panel and click on Expenses. This is where you can manage your vendor-related transactions, including bills, payments, and credits. Once you're in the Expenses section, open the Bills tab. Here you'll see a list of your existing bills, along with their current status, so take a moment to locate the bill that has a vendor credit available to be applied. When you find the correct bill, click on Mark as Paid. Even though the wording says Mark as Paid, this is also the area where you can apply available vendor credits during the bill payment process. This is helpful because it allows the system to connect the credit directly to the bill, instead of leaving the credit unused. On the bill payment page, look for the vendor credit section and select the vendor credit you want to apply. Make sure you're choosing the correct credit for that vendor and bill. This step is important because applying the right credit ensures your records stay clean and your outstanding balances are updated properly. If more than one credit is available, carefully confirm which one should be used before moving forward. Once the vendor credit is selected, review the bill payment page briefly to make sure everything looks correct. This includes checking that the proper bill is selected and that the vendor credit has been applied as expected. Taking a few seconds to verify the details can help prevent mistakes and save time later. After that, click Save and Close. This finalizes the bill payment update and applies the vendor credit to the bill. Once saved, the bill balance should reflect the credit that was used, helping your accounts stay accurate and up to date. And that's all there is to it. That's how you record and apply a vendor credit. It's a simple process, but doing it properly can make a big difference in keeping your bookkeeping organized and your vendor balances correct.